I hope that comes back to us. We were touring the Arab cities, carrying only things and the Arabic language with us. This is what my grandfather used to tell us about the past. I hope that comes back to us. I'm preparing to travel now, but he wants to take my ID to make sure I'm an Arab girl. I'm brown in complexion and my features are revolutionary. Really? How did he not know that I'm an Arab from my ID? Do I have to be Ajami to enter his country without taking my identity? He asked me about my name, nationality, and the secret of my visit. I said, my name is Unity, my nationality is Arabic, the secret of my historical visit. He asked about my work, then if I have a criminal record. I told him I'm an ordinary person, but I was a witness to the assassination of nationalism. He asked about my birthday and in any Hijri year. I answered him, I was born on the day humanity was born. He asked me if I had any epidemic disease. I told him I had a pectoral angina when my son asked me about Arab unity. He asked me, which religion do I follow, Islam or Christianity? I told him I worship God with all the heavenly religions. Then he returned me papers, bag, and ID to me, and he told me, come back where I came from, because my country doesn't accept freedom. As I told you, my friends, this is the difference between the past and the present, and I wish the best for the future.